Yo, what up YouTube? This your girl Pookie. I'm just getting on here real quick to let y'all know that I ain't forgot about y'all. Like I said, I don't know if I didn't get that video up there, so y'all don't know about it. I'm trying to work on some new stuff to, you know, make it different, give y'all something to look for like almost every week. But I've been so caught up with all this other stuff that a lot of stuff been going wrong. Like my ex, she's being a homie hopper. She's going to all my friends and she keeps fucking them over. But that ain't even the least of it. Like, I got a family member died of cancer, like, all of a sudden. But even on top of these bad things, I got a lot of good things going for me. So keep me in prayer or whatever, man, for real. Let's just say that she probably gonna see this video, and let's just say there's a very special someone, there's an apple of my eye, that I'm looking forward to getting to know better and getting on, maybe on a serious level with her. But dang, I'm just letting y'all know she got me sprung, but that's a whole nother subject. So basically, I just want to get on this video and I'm not gonna say her name, but I call her Boo, and I'm letting you know right now, Boo, I'm crazy about you. Of course, you know that I'm ready to move on to more serious things, but I can only go with the time that you give me, so let's hope that's soon, because I'm very impatient. But just want to get on here and say I love you. I know you're going to see this video, and I'm crazy about you, so let's make this shit happen. And for my YouTubers, comment, rate, subscribe. Got a lot of big things going to y'all. And like I always say, Pookie's out. Chucking up the deuces.